তিনি ত্রিপুরা মথানি CWC ni Prakta Adong members party president Brahmunang Vijay Kumar Uncle Brahmunang Mevar Kumar Zomatia Tayang Sakbaitang CWC ni decision ni Bishintin Osun State Election Commissioner of Malaya কয়েকটা ইস্যু তোমার খুব ভাইটালস খুব ইম্পর্টেন্ট ইস্যু का पंचायत इलेक्शन 3 स्टार पंचायत इलेक्शन बा 3 टायर पंचायत इलेक्शन खूब शॉर्ट देंगे बट ड्यू टाइम्स का जुलाई मास द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अगस्त मोस्ट प्रोबेबली 3 टायर पंचायत इलेक्शन है स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑलरेडी अब प्रिपेयर का फाइनल इलेक्टोरल रूल्स ऑफ पब्लिश किया so the election commission is fully prepared to announce the date of the election of 3 tier panchayat. The 3 tier panchayat, gram panchayat, nagar panchayat, jila parishad. All Zoravano simultaneously sini village committee in election. Tabunarak Saimano 587 village committee already defunct. Abonek paralyzed. Hunil Singh Saimano all development activities village committee election bishintu develop hajanan bage abo constitutional kaisa institution gaw the gaw chung chaimon more than 2 years already passing ka je election khaija gya tongma election khaija ka obonute daki election khana bage high court point to case kya all case are now clear and disposed of okay tabu state government tai kono problem kari ga je village committee election khainan bage nai lesson simon je normally election commission ni 5 years ni bishingo any election general election mandatory election khaina ni domni parliament election lok sabha pan undi state legislative election pan undi every 5 years abo mandatory by election go every within the 6 months of the vacant of the concerned seat ba constituency lok sabha or nini vidhan sabha ni Tetapu sini edisi bo duita constituency tongo kaisa Mandai Pulinpo edisi constituency ta kaisa Mulai Chambahar edisi constituency or 2 constituency already 1.5 years elapsed sungthanga ba sungthanga tabu election khaije gya morono core point sungtini election state election commission thaneo thangai nai sung memorandum kaya submit khlekya o point ro o jagate kaya tongo je edisi ni election romni village committee election nini tobangma jaga non edison RD block khlaijago thangene counting rongo jemon Dugli block and there are 3 numbers of ADC village election counting go kaborno edison bishingo counting khainen bagene chung tini demand to chung sini memorandum bo abono tongkha narakjaka sekasa point tongo je there are numbers of illegal migrant they have already enrolled their names in the electoral rolls obo tongo Nini Komla Sagar bo tongo koma assembly constituency ho recently kaisa local dailies leading local dailies published kya asker project specifically Komla Sagar assembly constituency ni kokno boro published kya abai kama tongo abo hai illegal migrants ho voter talika ar pore bibhinno nini relevant documents ho ulo obtain khayo by account khayo abo ke abo national security ni viewpoint of hine black kind of threat Oborongo Sungtini election commission Thaniwo place click. Gambagi all illegal migrants those who have enrolled their names in electoral roll. Their names should be deleted from the very electoral roll. Moronga sini core demand tinini. Gambagi sung submit click according to our decision CWC decision tini sung Malaya. Avon bagi sung go during our discussion with the election commission. But fully assured khaga immediately all maternity take up khainai jehetu state ni election ka local body election ka under the control of state government karon bagi state government be kok salaya kuri nai abono dapti doctor khainai bagi borokbo bongna opinion no suno saka borok agreed no tamnai nitigoto bhabe gomoronga tini sini deputation asol kokro hambai. Thank you.